It's August the 4th, 2020. This is the starboard wingtip. Keith now has stripped all his components down, cleaning up and ready for painting. One or two have got to have strengtheners put on them, so they'll be put on first before he starts rebuilding it. That shouldn't be long now. The main rib where everything will be built up from. The two main spars and the three intercostals, and then the ribs which go across. This is the very top of the wingtip where the formation lights and navigation lights sit. Or you can also see the wooden sweep, which is not quite fitted correctly yet. It needs part to a bit cutting down and lowering down. So how's it going then?
I wondered if you'd be in today. Yeah, we're just starting to pop that skin on. Wiring's been done. He's got his wires sticking out there. Can you see his wires sticking out at the top there?
Yeah.
So he's run all them through the conduit's all in, and it's all and put the cover, put the door plates in. This side we've didn't pull the skin, but we hadn't formed the end over yet.
No.
Got to go up there, pin that on, and knock it over the wood.
Yeah.
You know, so you just get. It's only a small, like a small lip on it. What you get.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go up there and knock it over and shape that one yet.
And then just trim it.
Yeah, just trim that. Oh. So we did the other door. That's got on now.
Yeah. That's ready for going on now, is it? Yeah, riveting on?
That's all been waiting for. I was waiting for these coming back from spray build.
Oh, I see.
So they've all been sprayed and what have you. And we got clearance for this second panel, so I'm just in the middle of pop riveting it on.
Oh. So Bob passed it and you was okay then?
Bob cleared that second area behind there. So that got cleared before, but even if that wasn't cleared, you can still see inside all there.
Yeah.
So at the minute this panel's going on. Yeah. Didn't sound good, did it? So that panel's going on, and this small one can go on, this small square one.
Yeah. That's a separate panel, is it?
It is, yeah. It's just just a small square one there.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll clear the next area, and then that big tall one there will go on, the one that goes between there and there, I think it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one will go on next.
Yeah. Oh, and that sweep really looks good now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's starting to look the part up there a bit, isn't it now? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks better on the other side where it's actually formed and everything. This side you can just see where it's been lacquered. It was lacquered 3 times that.
Yeah. This was the panel you creased when you were shaping it, was it?
This is the one we've had a go at it, but we're not 100% happy with it, so we've got a real professional to do it. Simone's doing it.
Oh, is she sending it away, or is she...
It's been sent, she's already in the process of doing it. She sent a video of her doing it. Yeah. And
oh, this is the old one, is it?
This is the one that I've had a go at, where I just can't seem to get that kink out of it, you know, that one above the rib.
Yeah.
You can just see where I've scribbled on it. There's like a kink where as soon as you pin it down at the top and at the bottom, it pants down into like a delve.
Yeah.
Keith's having the same problem on that one. Yeah. So send it away, and hopefully she's a lot better than what we are.
It's not, isn't it right at the wood?
Sorry, I can't even decide. My ear is terrible.
I said, doesn't the wood fit right yet?
No, it's not been.
Oh,
and it's got to be notched out. You have to notch it out
Yeah, to lower it down.
to let it down.
Yeah.
It's sitting too high at the moment.
Yeah. Even this wing, the actual wingtip, it's a complicated little job, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Getting it
I
right.
don't think anyone actually comprehended how complicated
No,
the wingtip is,
No.
and how much
no.
is actually in
Especially
it.
when you're doing it, everything is new. It's, you
Yeah,
know,
well we're trying to mix old with new. You see,
Yeah.
we're restoring it. We're not making a new one.
No.
So that's what makes it more difficult.
yeah,
So you're recovering what you can out of the original,
yeah.
and then repairing and replacing.
And you strip yours right down now. You're cleaning it up, ready for painting.
Yeah, refinishing all the edges and whatever, making it all nice and pretty, and then it's going off to paint. There's a load of the skins. I think that nearly all the skins have been painted now.
Yeah,
It's just the ribs,
Yeah.
and that's starting to go through paint now.
yeah.
And I'm finishing off the spars and intercostals, and then they'll go into paint.
Yeah. And then you start build up.
Hopefully then we'll start building.
Yeah. Right, thank you.
All right.
That gives you the diameter, does it?
No, that just gives you the grip length, you know, the length of the pop rivet what we need.
Oh, does it? Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a table there. So that measures 3.5 millimeters. That. So if you get an eighth one, that's between 3.5. So that'd be that one there. 3.1 to 4.3.
Yeah.
So we use them 429 BS.
That's the number.
And this is like the gauge for you know
Yeah.
what you use and what have you.
Yeah.
So I've just banged in a load of. They were all like 2 millimeters. So all the ones I've just got in have all been 424 BS.
Yeah. And they're all the same quality material, are they?
They're all the same material. Yeah. Those were bigger. Those were. So those are 3/16.
Yeah.
But they're all the same. These pop rivets and what have you. So these are 8. There's a few 532 go around there, but the majority are going to be this size 8,
Yeah.
just in different varying lengths. So I'll just get some that were 3.5.
Good, thank you.
Okay, so just giving them all a quick open up.
And you have to put that joint in place.
Yeah, it's just like an anti-corrosion and a sealant as well. So
You have to put it on every rivet or in every hole.
just put a little sprinkle in, just a little smidge in each hole. Just to seal it all up, you know, keep it as watertight as possible, really.
This is a piece of wood in the wingtip I didn't know existed. It fits at the bottom of the leading edge.
Where the new one is. That piece there sits.
Yeah.
That was screwed onto this with four screws, I think it is. like so. That's like the end block, you know, there.
Yeah.
So if you run, if
Just
you,
give it a round shape at the bottom.
yeah, if you was looking underneath, that's what fills in that gap, you know, in the bottom, and that sits in there, like so.
Yeah.
So obviously, like you say, you'd have that. That's going to go press over the top of all those with that wood in the base.
You've got to have that made yet, have you?
I've not seen it knocking about yet, no. So it did get sent away to be remade, but so that'll look something like that when we eventually put it in.
Get those on, and it'll be really.
Yeah, but I say I've not seen that.